Still reaching for that wire to connect to CarPlay and Android Auto in your car? There's a better way. Check this out.
This is the ZHNN Carplay AI box. Not all CarPlays Android Auto are the same. My 400 doesn't have it, but with the help of an aftermarket head unit, I do have a CarPlay now, but it's wireless. My wife's Mazda 6 does have CarPlay, but it's wired. This is where this box comes in. Installation easy.
Locate where you plug in your wire, grab the box, select the cord that you need. For this car, it's going to be just the regular USB-A. Plug it in. Now, let's talk about the features. All right, CarPlay and Android Auto, of course, from wired, now wireless. It works great. So we have this in the Mazda for about 2 weeks already. No issues. Sometimes it does take a bit while to connect. I haven't seen any pattern, but that happened like once or twice. After that, once you turn on the car, it connects really fast. Next is basically an Android box, like an Android tablet. It's customizable. You can install different apps. Currently, it does have YouTube, Netflix, Instagram, and other social media already built in. So you don't really need to install it. But I haven't really tried it. I would definitely want to take a look at that in the future. Another one, it has a micro SD card slot. So you can actually play movies, videos, or photos, and you can actually preview it using your head unit. If your car still has wired CarPlay, Android Auto in 2025, definitely look into this. It's definitely worth a try. If this video is giving you some sort of value, hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Paalam.